Two right circular cylinders have the same volume. The radius of the second cylinder is 10% more than the radius of the first. What is the relationship between the heights of the two cylinders? Okay, so first I just want to make it clear that the volume of a right circular cylinder, volume is pi r squared times h. And so how I'm going to label the cylinders is the radius. So for the first cylinder and then the second, I'll define radius as r1 and height as h1. And for the second, it'll be r2 and h2. So since we were told that the radius of the second cylinder is 10% more than the radius of the first, I can write the following equation. So r2 is equal to 1.1 times r1. The other piece of information we were given is that the two cylinders have the same volume. So I can write the equation pi r1 squared times h1 will be equal to the volume of the second, which is this. So now here is where I'm going to substitute r1 in right here. So I get pi r1 squared h1 will be equal to pi times, and then it'll be 1.1 r1 squared times h2. Okay, and simplifying that out, I get pi times, okay, and now I just want to solve for that h1, find the relationship between the two heights. So h1 is going to be equal to, if I divide the right side by pi r1 squared, I just get 1.21 h2. So that tells me that the first height is 21% more than the second. So the first height is 21% more than the second. Choice D.